Are you frustrated trying to find the create event button in Facebook? I know at times it's frustrated the hell out of me. Well, in this video, we're going to show you a few ways to find it. And because Facebook loves changing things on us, this video was recorded in the end of May of 2023 based off of a comment I got from a viewer who said that they followed the tutorial on another video of mine, but they only have the option to find events. Any suggestions? So I want to go through a few ways to create an event and how to find that button on Facebook. Now, Facebook's really picky of if you're signed in as you or a business and where you're trying to create the event. So if you're trying to do something for personal and business, you have both. Just make sure you're signed into the right one, acting as the right one, if that makes sense. And if not, leave a comment below. I created a video of how to make sure that you were logged in and like didn't double check what you're logged in as when you're trying to take actions. So I found the easiest thing for me to do when I want to go to events is just to see more and head into events. If you can get to the event section, usually there's a create event button. I have never seen an instance when this create event button is not there. So if it's not, then you want to make sure that so it appears where you see what account you're logged in as. Make sure you're logged in as the right one. The only other option that I can see maybe is if you're banned from creating events, but I haven't seen that. Doesn't mean that Facebook won't put someone in jail for that. Then you just click the new event. You're in as your name. You can change it to any other profile you're connected to and go from there. Now, if let's say that you are going from a group, because that's the only one that is really different. So I'm going to go to this exact same group that I don't use. We're going to do it up here. Because I used this group in my video before. And before we went to browse and you're able to see the events, that's not how it is anymore. They moved it to the menu bar right here. So now for a group, if you want to create an event, you need to click on your page, click event, and then there's a create event button. The great way that they moved it back, this is how it used to be, and they changed it, and now they changed it back, is that you can see the past test events that I've done. But you can see the past test events. See the past events, which I really like as someone who's in charge of groups to easily be able to see that. So again, the places you want to look is go into your events, any place that say events, and do a create new event. Or if you're a group, you want to grow into your group and do it from there. Now, just for shits and giggles, let's go to a page. If I'm in my page and I want to create an event, usually I go down and I click to more, and then here's events, and then it says my past ones, and then I can say that I want to create an event. Now, if you see, it's not allowing me to, and the reason it's not allowing me to is because I'm logged in as me. So if I go and I say, no, I want to be logged in as Rachel Boone Consulting, it's going to switch me into Meta, and then I can go into events, and it's going to see saying, do you want to be? And I'm like, yes, I do. Then I can come into any event that I have. And once I go to any event I have, I can create new event and it'll pull it up. Now, if you don't have any past events, yes, I want to leave the page. Then you can come over here and go back to the events and it'll do the same thing. So I just went in to, like I would have done my personal, I just went in on the side and said, I want to go to the event, and it's not automatically say, let's create an event, because it has no events for that page. So that's a few different ways, depending on if you are doing it as a person or as a group or as a business profile. If you still can't find it, please give me some more details of exactly what you're trying to do and profiles you have, so I might be able to dig in a little bit more and figure out what's going on for you.